Ever tried backing up your RV and felt totally blind? Honestly, I used to dread parking my RV, constantly worried about hitting something or missing obstacles. Mirrors just weren't enough for those tight spots. I'd get out, check behind, then inch back nervously. But that changed after I discovered backup cameras for RVs. Today I'm sharing 10 must-have RV backup cameras. Each one boosts safety and makes navigation a breeze. First up, a 2K HD rear-view system with a color monitor. It's perfect for pickups and larger vehicles. Super clear night vision. Next, a wireless 7-inch camera with install-free setup. Ultra-long battery life, touch controls, so simple to use. Third, a 1080p night vision system for safe reversing. Great for trucks, RVs, and commercial vehicles. Need wide-angle waterproof coverage? Check out this plug-and-play model. High-res monitor, easy install, ideal for fleet operators. For tech lovers, wireless CarPlay Android Auto Monitor system. Multi-angle HD cameras and smart voice navigation. Solar-powered backup camera, yes please. 3-minute install, wide-angle HD display, no wires needed. Professional users, try the quad split-screen 1080p system. Monitor up to 320p, multi-angle surveillance for caravans. Yakri's wireless system offers a huge HD monitor. Stable signal up to 320 feet and USB power supply. Need multi-channel views? This split-screen system is for you. Designed for trucks, buses, trailers, total visibility. Last one, AutoVox Solar Wireless Camera. DIY install in 2 minutes, dual-channel HD video. Let's see it in action. Just tap and get instant rear view. Crystal clear display, no more guessing or second guessing. Parking and reversing are smooth and stress-free now. Honestly, I can't imagine RV life without these cameras. Ready to boost your safety and confidence on the road? Check out these 10 must-have RV backup cameras today. Click the link in the description to find yours.